You want me to stay over here?
Where do you want to be?
Okay, this looks good. Look how pretty these are.
Aren't these stunning?
That would be so pretty to have on your kitchen counter, on your, kitchen island, however it works in your house. It's from Temp-tations. It is a 1.7 liter capacity electric tea kettle for you. Not $66. This is a clearance price. Good news is you are saving $21. Bad news is there will be no reorder. These are final quantities. 3 Easy Pays at $15. Speaking of Grammys, my Grammy always used to have a tea kettle.
Did she?
Yeah, yeah. But an electric tea kettle is even better, I think, for a lot of us.
It's just amazing. We've never done this shape, the size, the silhouette before.
Very pretty.
We partnered with Henning Lee, who we know, like Henning
yes.
Lee. Come on, they're like
Yeah.
anything Henning Lee. We're in,
Yes.
right? The silhouette is absolutely stunning. So it's that tall, like columnar look right there. Look how gorgeous the handle is. So it's stainless on the outside, and then look how we tipped it on the inside with the accent color. It has a temperature gauge in the front. Okay, so if you're really into teas and baking and things like that, the temperature that you pour is really important.
Okay.
So these are just things that Tara has tucked in there that are just so important. The lid right here, here's what I love about this lid. A lot of tea kettles that you plug in, the lid lifts up. This comes off completely.
Awesome.
So it's easy to wash, but it's easy to fill. So I'm going to tip it so you can see the inside.
Okay.
Look at that right there. Thanks, guys. Absolutely stunning. Look how gorgeous that is. And then right down here on the bottom, this is going to be the warming base. By the way, I love the fact that I can take that plug right there and I can wrap it all the way around so it's not out on my counter.
Okay.
Look what else I can do with this, because I think that this is really cool. I can turn this 360 degrees. There's no right way or wrong way to put it on. And then right here is where you're going to literally put it on, and a little blue light illuminates. It automatically shuts off when it is boiling. It also automatically shuts off. There's some safety features. If it's dry, like if you don't have enough water.
If you forgot to put the water in.
That's right. So there's lots of safety in here. The auto shut off for 2 different reasons, but this is just stunning. And the colors that we have, wow.
So this is Harvest Mist, Mix rather, Harvest Mist Mix.
We're getting there.
I should have had coffee today.
Do you want me to make you some coffee?
Yes, exactly. Here's confetti. The roosters. How many of you decorate your kitchens or another room in roosters?
How beautiful. And good luck in the kitchen.
Yes.
And I love the pop of red.
And then
the blue floral lace, which is just so
beautiful.
Pretty and elegant. And I also love, as we turn this around right here, you can see there's actually a gauge right here. You can decide how high you want to fill it. It's like a little peekaboo right there. So you can see right into the teapot. The amount of features that are tucked in here. By the way, if you were to go into a big box store, you would see a 1 in front of these. I mean, these are just very high
and they can do that because they're very rare to find. This is not something that you find. At least I haven't seen it everywhere.
I love
which
this.
Is nice.
You know what I love about it? Whenever I pour this, I have this at home. It just reminds me that I'm going to have a peaceful, relaxing moment, or a friend is coming over and I'm creating a memory with a friend.
Let's make a friend day, so there you go.
There we go, Pat.
How nice is that?
We're friends.
Yep.
I like that.
I like it.
You saw how easy it is for me to pour. But again, because of the great capacity, right, at 1.7 liters, I can fill it as high as I want, or not as high as I want.
Exactly.
The blue floral lace I think is so fun, right? That beautiful navy blue, just so stunning. How about the roosters, the doodle-doo? It's so fun, it's so whimsical. And again, look how easy it is to pour. I'm not left-handed.
I like how exaggerated the handle is. It's oversized, it's away from the body of the tea kettle as well. So you can pour it very, very easily.
Yeah.
And the lid's not half popping off when you
Exactly.
are tilting it.
Did you see how easy that was?
Yeah.
You know, the way that you put a handle and a pour spout are really important because they have to balance each other perfectly.
Yeah.
And what you don't want is it spurtling out, right? So you saw how easy that pour was. And I love the confetti again right there. Look how beautiful. Let's say you picked up the dinnerware. And the confetti, how fun that would be to leave out on your kitchen counter.
What a nice, maybe an anniversary gift to give to someone who you know very well loves Temp-tations, and they have some of the confetti. If you picked up the dinnerware for them, the tea kettle is something. Even if you haven't thought about a tea kettle, I mean, it's a whole different experience than, sticking your mug in the microwave.
In the microwave. It tastes better, and I say that not lightly, because when you microwave water, it gets that film on the top. You know what I'm talking about. It gets cloudy. When you boil water, you're getting it to the perfect temperature for what it is that you're drinking. That's why there's actually a temperature gauge on the front. And again, all the safety features that are tucked in, that right here's how you're going to turn it on. Watch, when I turn it on, see the blue light that just came on right there?
That's so perfect.
That's the blue light, so that's going to let you know, and Pat and I can hear it on this end. You can hear, I'm going to get a facial in a second. And then after it is boiled, that blue light literally turns off, the button pops up. You can see the steam coming out.
I can see the steam.
Let's say I didn't put enough water in, or I forgot to put water in, and I just turned it on. It will automatically shut off. That just shut off. I just heard it. You see how it popped up and the blue light went off.
And so you know it's ready.
I know.
There wasn't a whistle to distract anybody from anything.
That's right.
And it's just, you know, this makes me think it's the time of the year when we think of our friends that come over for St. Patrick's Day from Ireland. And, you know, a lot of times we have sold teas from Ireland as well. Do you have someone on your gift list that absolutely, maybe that's their, you know, their roots, maybe that's what they enjoyed. Maybe they have gone to Ireland and really suddenly understood, or they've gone to, you know, Britain and have understood how important the ceremonial part of tea. I mean, when you think about it,
it's an experience, right? And
definitely.
that's what this is all about. This is about not only having a piece of artwork on your counter, and maybe you only use it once a week. That's okay. You want to leave this out. You're not looking to store this because it's that beautiful. But there's something about having it, like I said, pouring a cup of tea, whether it's tea, coffee, hot chocolate, the Lono Life broth here, ramen noodles, oatmeal. A lot of times when you bake, you need boiling water. Boiling water is something that we use in our lives, right? So the fact that now you can have it beautifully, and the nice big capacity of 1.7 liters is amazing.
Yeah, it really is. But you don't have to put that much in. You could put just a cup in, and it will heat that up like that for you. $44.99. Take advantage of it, because this really is something that you could start a basket, you know, and then get special teas and tea cookies or little tea sandwiches, or, I mean, you know, whole restaurants make their living. There's a bus, I haven't ever taken it, that is a tea party.
Is that right?
That you can take around Philadelphia and New York.
Wait, I just saw that on Instagram.
Yes,
I can't believe you said that.
Yes, me too, but I thought, what a fun thing to do.
Yes.
Maybe, you know, we had a party for my sister's, my brother-in-law's aunt, who's no longer with us, but when she turned 90, we had this great tea party just for all the women in her life, and it was so much fun. So it's perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right. Look at these